Okay, so this is a short video on how to access form simplicity through the association. So I am already logged into the Our World Association. From here, you can see that there are many, many apps that you can choose from. When you scroll down to Florida Resources, right here it shows Form Simplicity. Once we log into Form Simplicity, you can click blank forms, and we go to Florida, or well, it actually just defaults it to Florida. Sorry about that. And in this case, I'm going to actually pick up, or actually I'm going to type in up here, tenant. Okay. And there's a few forms that I'm going to choose just for this particular video demonstration. Exclusive tenant brokerage agreement, that's for commercial. We don't want that, but we do want this one right here. Compensation agreement, owner, listing broker, tenants broker. So this particular form is going to be used to get confirmation from the listing broker that they will pay the tenant's broker. So this is the form you're going to fill out. The owner, their name will be here, that you can find on the IMAP. Okay. Usually we want to have the compensation go directly from the owner directly to the tenant's broker, which in our case would be Keller Williams Realty Professionals. You put the property address in here, and the listing broker goes here. Okay. The listing broker is the name of the brokerage, not the name of the associate. Under term, you can put whatever you want to put here. I normally put in 60 days or 90 days. Your compensation is up to you, what you would like to put in there. And then owner would initial this. Okay. And or the broker authorized associate would initial that. And then you come down here and the owner signs it and the tenant broker signs it as well. Okay. And that's all the, oh, I almost forgot, down at the bottom, you also have to make sure this is initial 2 on page 2. And that's all there is regarding compensation for owner broker to tenants broker, or listing broker to tenants broker. Another form that I want to pull up here is, I'm going to go back to the forms library. I'm going to go back to Florida. I'm now going to type in exclusive okay, and right here, exclusive buyer brokerage agreement. I'm going to click on that one. All right. So this you use either with a buyer, or you can also use this particular one for a tenant. And here's the lease information. Okay. Some form of a buyer brokerage agreement will be required by the brokerage in order to get compensated. So now this agreement is between the tenant, in this case, if it's a rental, and the brokerage. The other agreement that we just went over is between the owner of a property that's about to be rented and the tenant broker. All right, so this form needs to be completed. I'm going to go back to blank forms one more time, and forms library, go back, and I'm going to type in here the word lease. And here we go. Contract to lease. So I'm going to open that one up. Okay, so this is the form that we are going to use when our tenant has decided to write an offer on a particular property they would like to rent. All right, so the landlord's name goes here. Again, you could get that information directly from IMAP. Prospective tenant, that's whoever your client is. And then you can fill this out and make sure it gets signed. And when you are going to send this over to the listing agent, then you're going to send this along with your rent spree credit / background check, as well as the commission agreement or compensation agreement. Okay, and that's all there is to it here. So thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you, and I hope you have a great day.